going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, where safety is not my #1 priority. Anyways, today, there's not really much I could do today because I kind of messed up my wrist. You know, I was wrestling a bear, punching a shark in the face, went skydiving without a parachute. But anyways, I digress. Quick little review. I just got a package from Cart Boys. Well, they didn't. I ordered a package from Cart Boys. I bought some end links. Very unimpressed on the packaging that they sent me. It was just a box and then this came in it, like in a Ziploc baggie, and came with a barcode sticker. I kind of like the sticker. Sticker looks kind of cool. Maybe I'll just, I don't know, add 5 horsepower somewhere. But I was going to attempt to start doing this thing on this side of the car. I've never bondoed anything before or messed with fiberglass, but let's read the instructions. Step 1, read all directions. That's what I'm doing. Step 2, cut away damaged areas and loose pieces. Sand the surface with 3M sandpaper. Okay, cool. 80 grit to remove paint, rust, or gel coat, and primer. Primer. I have to remove primer. Woosah. Alright, so I guess that's gotta be bare metal. So it's gotta be sanded 1 to 2 inches beyond damage. Should be repaired, whatever. When possible, both sides. Should be repaired for added strength. Then pre-cut pieces of fiberglass. So, yeah, I guess I gotta sand that stuff off. Really annoyed. All that extra effort. Thinking this is something I needed to do because it was bare metal and I didn't want it to rust. Yeah, let's just go with that. You know, I wasn't gonna get to it. I didn't want it to rust, so I primered it so it wouldn't get all rusty, crusty. Yeah. I definitely meant to do that. Let's see if we can make this work. Oh man, this is taking way longer than I thought it would take. I should really wear a mask too. It's starting to smell. But I honestly thought I was supposed to keep primer on it. Well, it's a good thing I read those instructions. Alright, let's see if let me try not to cut my fingers off this time. Safety first. Yeah, I guess that'll do. I guess I'm just gonna use the grinder to take off the rest of this primer because the sander's taking me way too long. Maybe I'll use the sander for some finishing touches. Speaking of sander, yeah, she looks like she ain't holding up. I mean, granted, this isn't the correct kind of sandpaper I should be using for this cheap Black & Decker sander. There, I think this is good enough. And now, the fiberglass. Oh, man, my whole garage is dusty again. Anyways, you guys probably can't even hear me. Alright guys, so I don't really have a science behind mixing resin, to be honest. I know it kind of gave me like using, I don't know, 6 tablespoons and 6 drops of hardener. I kind of just eyeballed this. I'm also not going to waste my baking utensils, so YOLO. If it doesn't work, I'll just, you know, I guess I'll just try again. So this doesn't say this on the instructions, so I just seen people on YouTube do this, I think. And I'm just gonna kind of paint resin on this and then kind of just lay down some fiberglass and hope for the best. Maybe just saturate it or something, another. I feel like that's the right thing to do. And we're just, you know, yeah, that's great. Let's see. Yeah. Amazing. Oh, look, my fingers are looking like chickens. No, stick. There, yeah, stick. Oh. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh man. Stay there. Oh, come on, buddy. So, definitely more resin. Alright, let me go mix some more. Alright, so I mixed me up a fresh batch of resin. And I'll just keep painting away and hope for the best. There we go. So I'm not really sure if I have to do this in like coats. I'm assuming yes, but then again, I have no idea. Like some high and low spots. Beats me. Oh, stay there. Stick where you want to. Well, maybe I'll just wait until it gets a little tacky. Come on. Stick. Maybe if I hold it for a second. Maybe that's the secret. Hey. Hey. Alright, whatever. I quit on this. Maybe I'll just wait until it gets, I don't know, a little dry. I'm thinking maybe I should just do one more layer, you know, because, I don't know, I just don't want to put more. I can just sand stuff off. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just put a little bit more. Alright, got me a little bit more, fiberglass. Alright guys, so it's the next day and it's dry. Even even the white bits. So this little flappy part, I was really hoping I can, like, you know, kind of tuck it under, but guess not. I didn't want to stay. It was being a little, you know. So I guess the next thing is sanding it down and hopefully paint. I'm just not in the mood to make my garage all dusty again, or YOLO. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, so I got a couple different ways I've decided to try sanding. I have sanding paper on a block of wood. My gloves just broke. Alright, so I just fixed my glove. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing first is taking off that excess material, and I got a little Dremel to do that with. Guys, wear a mask. Fiberglass in your lungs sucks. Last night I had fiberglass in places where I really didn't want. Uh-oh. That might be the issue. Maybe not. Alright, let's just use this. Maybe it'll be faster. Tired of using a Dremel. Man, I should have done that in the first place. Whatever. The rest of that I'll just sand right off. Alright, so let's try this first method. I'm just going to try to block a wood with some sandpaper. This is 80 grit. Let's see how long this will take. Actually, not that bad. I'm just trying to get everything as even as possible. So these are like high spots, low spots. Just try to get it as smooth as I possibly can. Exhausting. Let's try this thing again. Okay guys, so I'm like running out of different ways to sand this because this is annoying. I'm gonna use my sand belt and let's see how that works out. This might be overkill. And I hit bare metal, great. Okay. Alright guys, so that's all I got for today. I did learn a lot. So I learned, I suck at this guys. I suck so bad. This is complete and utter failure. Definitely should not have used masking tape because now I just have fiberglass on top of masking tape and now I have to sand a lot. Like a lot. And that's a lot of effort right now and I and I only have one hand to work with. But instead of adding more fiberglass to this, I'm probably just gonna use that belt sander and sand the crap out of it. Make my garage covered in fiberglass. My garage is so dusty. Oh, regrets. A lot of regrets. I'm probably just gonna end up buying some Bondo, slap that on there, see how that looks. I think Bondo's a little bit easier to work with because it's like, I don't know, Play-Doh. But anyways, that's all I got for today. I'm gonna continue doing some research on how to fix this problem and you guys can join me on that journey, but not right now because I'm at a loss on that one. But like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. I got some videos right here that YouTube recommends. I set up a nice little playlist. So, you know, you guys can just watch your boy over here. And, I don't know, I'm gonna get entertained. Watch me suck at things. I am really good at sucking on things. So, anyways, I'll see you guys next week.